Hello learners, another very nice feature which I want to show you here is in this composition which is project 1, we have got many assets, we have got many AI files which is the Illustrator file which is this, we have even got the Photoshop file which is this, we have even got the comp 1 which was this, comp 2 which was this, comp 3, comp 4, 5 and so on. Now say for example while you are working on different compositions like this, like this. Now if you want to just open it in any other system or any other machine, what you can do is, as these files are interlinked, it would again ask for location. If you just move the files, it would make the file missing, as we have already seen that. So in order to avoid that, what you can do is, along with the comp as well as all these assets which are available, you can go to file, and then there is an option of dependency, and then you can go on collect files over here. So you can just click on that and we'll be again getting a dialog box. So it says, what do you want to collect? All, for all comps, none, project only. You can click on all over here, and this shows you that there are 4 files, and this is the rough size which is showing file size, which is 81.7 MB. It says it will be collected. Then just you can hit on the collect option over here. Then it will ask you for the path where you want to save. Just you can click on save, and yes, it has included all the things, and it has created a folder by itself. It has also generated a report. This is the time, this is the date what we have. These are rest of the footages. You see, it has got this image as well. It has got the script PSD file as well as the AI what we had. So it becomes very convenient while you're working on complex composition, or if you're working as a team. In that reason, After Effects has provided us this option of file, and then you can go to collect dependencies and then collect files. Thank you.